Both hands under your thigh, under your seat, under your lower back. Legs straight. Join big toes. Tighten kneecap. Both legs straight up 90. Straight down 10. No zero. No full down. No full relax. 2. Straight up 90. Straight down 10. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. Ready. Stay there at 10 degrees. Uttana Padasanam. Come on, stay strong. 12. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Total body turn to right side. Sitting position. Sit in Vajrasanam. Next Tulasanam. Full flank. Full flank. 30 count. 30 seconds. Half minute challenge. Ready? Come to final position. Tulasanam. Join foot, knee, thigh. Tighten kneecap. Lips closed. Look forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sashankashanam. Sashankashanam. Standing position. Join foot, hands, side liftings. Ready. Hands, side liftings. 1, 2, 3, full up. 4, stretch up. 5, 6, stretch up. 7, 8, 9, full stretch. 10, 11, up. Stay there. 11 up, stay there. Lift heel. Lift midfoot. Only stand on foot fingers. Come on, full stretch up and stay there like a statue. In the final position, no shivering, no jerks. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Separate legs. Interlock hands at head back side. Prisoner squats. Lips closed. 1 down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, ready. 11 down, stay there. 12, 11, 10, little more down. 9, 8, 7, 6 కూర్చోవాలి 5 4 ఇంకా 3 2 1 sit down